Ayan. Nag-order kami ng pagkain sa... Anong pangalan ni restaurant? Basta magandang umaga. hindi ko na alam. Hindi ko na natandaan yung restaurant. Filipino restaurant. Ayan. Nag-order ako ng pack beef. Ayan. Mukhang yummy naman siya. Tapos, syempre, fried rice. Wow. Ang generous naman nila sa bawang. Ito order. Kung mapapansin nyo, may mga ganyan.
Parang Pilipino.
Ang sweet. The next order is, ayan o. May heart din siya. Ito o, Pinoy Avenue. Hindi ko nakita yun. Ayan, rice pa rin. Rice.
No, there must have somebody put that
For the
Yeah, so
Enjoy your meal.
go ahead.
masyado.
Enjoy, dami naman, mami. Paano? Ito smiles.
This one also kare-kare. Ayan. Kare-kare.
Lahat meron heart.
Wow. Sweet naman.
Okay. Salamat.
So, we have to provide positive feedback to them because of the hearts that they are giving us.
May bawat order pala may kanin na
Yes, so we don't know.
Ang dami ng kanin. Makakapag-rice pa for today's video.
Until tomorrow we have rice.
Because I ate all the rice. Ano na yung sabihin? rice lang siya.
And this one also.
This is good. Solid. Lumpia. Lumpia.
I don't know what this is.
May food.
Oh, Amara, look at this. This is
Sauce lang
Villano Bangus meal. Oh, Villano.
Fantastic. May rice din yan. Wow!
Have a fantastic. Amara, look at this. Have a fantastic Friday. Thank you for the message.
Thank you for the message. If you're watching this,
You made us our day.
penge post.
You made us our day.
And this pa, so don't touch your food. Don't touch your food too much.
This is teriyaki with rice also.
Ito, di ba sabi ko sa'yo nakahanap ako. Ayaw pa ako ni Mami po order. Squid.
Okay, so let's start.
Grilled teriyaki.
Hanggang magkamay na lang.
Let's eat. Let's eat.
No. Okay, that's it, Amara.
Bye-bye.
Bye, we will try.
I will try the food.